Hello my pretty viewers, I am Jhumoon and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you this Hello Eye makeup look. For this eye makeup I am using NK9 color eyeshadow palette. As you know that I am not a professional makeup artist, I just love to do that. So this is the first time I have tried this kind of eye makeup, so I thought I would share with you. So let me show you how I got this look. So first I am starting with my eyebrow. To do this I am using eyeshadow. I love draw my eyebrow with the black color eyeshadow. I think it seems quite prominent. After that I am using concealer for cleaning my underbrow bone area. And with that I am also applying little bit on my lid area for creating a base. For applying this concealer, here I am using a small flat brush and I am blending this concealer with a wet sponge. After that I setting this with a compact powder. I told you in the beginning that I am going to check pigmentation this NK9 color eyeshadow palette. I am applying light color first over my eyes. Then I take this beautiful yellow color and blending it on my crease area with the help of small round blending brush. Then I am mixing this to red color and to brownish red color actually, and I am applying it on my lower crease area. For applying this I am using this kind of brush which you can see, so that I can place it in the certain place. Now I am taking my previous brush and blending it on my crease area very well. Then I will take this deep brown color and I applying it on my outer and inner corner. See how I am placing this color? Then again I am taking previous round blending brush for blending my crease area so that there is no harsh line. After that I am applying little bit concealer on my center eyelid part. In this conceal place, I am adding shimmer color and I am sticking it with my finger. When the shimmer shadow are applied with the finger, it becomes beautifully bright. Again, I am taking this red color and applying it on my crease area with the help of this round blending brush. Right after that I am taking that dark brown color and I am applying it to the same place again. I hope you can see and will understand how I am placing and blending these colors. It all depends on the blending, so that better you blend it will become more soft and beautiful. Here I am taking a clean brush for blending in crease so that there are no harsh color line. I am doing the same with my another eye. make this shimmer more prominent, here I am using liquid shimmer color. Now I am drawing a beautiful wing line. For that, here I am using Blue Heaven eyeliner. For enhancing my natural lashes, here I am using mascara. I will completing the rest of the eye makeup after doing the first makeup. I have applied foundation off camera. I am contouring on my cheekbone for cover my double chin, beside my nose area and on my jawline for get a perfect dimension on my face. This time I will complete my rest of the eye makeup. First I mix these two colors with the help of flat brush and I apply it to my bottom lash line. Then I am taking this brown color and I applying it on my lower outer corner. After that I am taking this shimmer color and I am applying it my lower inner corner. Finishing my whole eye makeup by applying brown kajal. Now I am applying highlighter on the highest point of my face. I am applying it on my cheekbone, cupid bow and bridge of my nose. For match the whole face makeup, I have mixed and applied two colors here. First I am applying Nicka Jhumoon shade and then I will apply 26M which is also from Nicka. Here is my whole makeup look. This is the first time I have tried it. It will be perfect to practice. Let me know in comment section how you feel. If you like the video then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. See you on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay pretty.